Why you always in the mood? I'm acting brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but may I never lose.
So we know we're going to have a very busy day. So we decided to start with this first. This was me devouring what is it called? I don't know. Nkwobi. Why did I forget? So we added palm wine so that it's going to like go down very well. When was the last time you ate like an Igbo delicacy? Like Nri Alani, when was the last time? Put it in the comments. I enjoyed every bit of this food. Oh my god. So after eating that kind of food, you'll be energized to like do things. This is my mommy. Alright. So we were like prepping for the next day, like for the get together. So this was us. My only work was to open this, nothing else. And then wait for the food to get ready. So we were just like doing few things so that the next day is not going to be very difficult for us to like cook and all that. So
if this food should fall down,
Azameta o la o, ekumede o, la o, ipastaza o la o, azameta o la o. Content is crying. Let me taste it.
It's like this now.
It's sweet. Chama eat it dance.
Yeah, our content now. Jesus. Jesus,
so this was me looking like what I was going through. Common person. Now me they go errands.
You see how I am looking so rough? Very not cutesy, very not demure, very not beautiful. But guys, I am very, very busy, so wait for my comeback. No, just wait for my comeback. When we are done with the cooking and everything, you see me in action. They sent me on an errand. See me doing what I don't know. It's equal emoji. It's equal emoji, guys. So in my mind, I'm like, what if I fall? What if I trip down and fall as I'm carrying this thing? As I'm carrying this thing, what if I trip and fall? But God no go agree. This is a pot of stew. Jesus Christ. I'm coming, guys.
Nah.
Oh, we got carrot.
We will just turn this thing away first. Now we keep them down.
Freeman, where? Zoom the base. Oh my god, just look at the face of this price. What is that Igbo adage? Anya see, oh god, my mommy can cook. So she was assisted by our neighbor. Yeah, my sister's neighbor Sha.
It's not up to wine. Okay, I beg. Yes. Should be the 1 kg is 5 meat. Yes. Okay, add more. You can add plenty if you want. Hey, well, this one fast.
Hi guys.
I want you. I want you. Jesus.
This one.
Yes.
Chidima. Bring small cup on the tea with the pure water.
So if you get this right, I owe you one.
Vegetable will go Harvard.
Oh my Jesus.
Vegetable will go Harvard. Yeah, chicken water.
Wait for the other chicken that is coming.
Okay,